Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create a Valentine's Day invitation for your Instagram post. And here we go. You can design it via Canva. So you can get this Canva for free. You can download from the official website. Don't forget to sign in with your account. Now you can just simply click templates and type Valentine as a keyword. And here there are a ton of templates that you can use, you can customize. And here there is a get more focus on invitation. So here, for example, you are invited to Valentine's party or this one, and similar or more like this. Here, for example, even you can print with Canva. This is for printing. Or here's, but you need to pay attention. There is a crown icon. It means this is a pro one. You need to upgrade your plan in order to use this template. And here we go. You can click to customize this template. And here we go. Now you can customize with your own. So maybe you want to change this link or address, or you can customize the text with your own, and you can use invitation sentence. And here, if you don't satisfy, you can try to search another template. This one, for example. So you are invited to attend our Valentine's Day party on February 14 at 7 p.m. and this is the address, so you can try to change the address, and also another information. And here, in order to design it, you can try to readjust or reposition. Here, for example, and also you can add more element that you want. Search your element that you want, for example, graphic. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.